All right, Shurley 5, Chapter 3. The young musician often played too loudly. Who often played too loudly? Musician, subject, noun. And what is being said about musician? Musician played, verb. Played how? Loudly, adverb. How loudly? Too loudly, adverb. Played when? Often, adverb. What kind of musician? Young, adjective. V, A, article, adjective, period, statement, declarative sentence, and we're going to slice it between the complete subject, the young musician, and the complete predicate, often played too loudly. S, N, V, pattern 1. And the next one, the wild dogs growled viciously today. What growled viciously today? Dogs. Subject, noun. What is being said about dogs? Dogs growled, verb. Growled how? Viciously, adverb. Growled when? Today, adverb. And what kind of dogs? Wild dogs, adjective. V, article, adjective, marked with an A. Exclamation point, strong feeling, exclamatory sentence. I'm going to go back and divide the complete subject, the wild dogs, divide it right there, and the complete predicate, growled viciously today. And that is S, N, V, pattern 1. Our third sentence, the roaring engine quickly steamed away. What quickly steamed away? Engine. Subject, noun. What is being said about engine? Engine steamed. Verb. Steamed where? Away. Adverb. Steamed how? Quickly. Adverb. What kind of engine? Roaring. Adjective. And V, article, adjective, mark it with an A, period, statement, declarative sentence, and we're going to divide the complete subject, the roaring engine, slice, quickly steamed away. S, N, V, pattern 1. Those are the ones that we did in class, and now we're going to look at the ones that we sent home for homework, and some of the groups did start these. The large frightened crowd dispersed quickly. What dispersed quickly? Crowd. Subject, noun. What is being said about crowd? Crowd dispersed. Verb. Dispersed how? Quickly. Adverb. We're adding that onto the verb. What kind of crowd? Frightened crowd. Adjective. What kind of crowd? Large crowd. Adjective. V is an article, adjective, mark it with an A, period, statement, declarative sentence. I'm going to slice the complete subject, the large frightened crowd, from the complete predicate, dispersed quickly. And this is S, N, V, subject, noun, verb, pattern 1. The talented young ballerina danced amazingly well. Who danced amazingly well? Ballerina, subject, noun. What is being said about ballerina? Ballerina danced, verb. Danced how? Well, adverb. And this is one of our adverb ice cream cones here, with the first scoop being well. There's our first adverb, and we're going to put another adverb on top. How well? Amazingly well. Another adverb. An adverb on top of an adverb. What kind of ballerina? Young. Adjective. What kind of ballerina? Talented. Adjective. V, A, article, adjective. Period, statement, declarative sentence. We're going to slice it between the talented young ballerina, subject, danced amazingly well, complete predicate. And the pattern is SNV, subject, noun, verb, Pattern 1. And our last sentence is the exhausted traveler finally flew home. Who finally flew home? Traveler. Subject, noun. What is being said about traveler? Traveler flew. Verb. Flew where? Home. Adverb. Flew when? Finally. Adverb. And what kind of traveler? Exhausted. Adjective. V. A. Article. Adjective. Exclamation point. Strong feeling. Exclamatory sentence. And we're going to divide it between the complete subject. The exhausted traveler. Slice. Finally flew home. And this is subject, noun, verb, S and V, pattern 1. Now for this section, we are finding one part of speech. And we're going to mark our subject, noun, and verb, and then we'll find our part of speech. So, the old couple slowly strolled away. We are looking, in this one, we're looking for adjectives in this sentence. Who slowly strolled away? Couple. Subject, noun. What is being said about couple? Couple strolled. And there's our verb. An adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. So for adjectives, we're going to look at our noun. And we're going to ask what kind, which one, how many. What kind of couple? Old couple. Adjective. And then we have a tricky little adjective there. It's a teeny tiny adjective. It is an article adjective. And that is also an adjective. Even though it's teeny tiny, it's both an adjective. So really, we only just needed to underline the is an adjective and old is an adjective. Let's go down to our next one. We're looking for adverbs. The children merrily played outside yesterday. Who merrily played outside yesterday? Children. Subject, noun. What is being said about children? Children played. Verb. Now adverbs modify verbs, adjectives or other adverbs, and they tell us how, when, where. So played how? Merrily. There's an adverb. Played where? Outside. There's an adverb. Played when? Yesterday. 3 adverbs in that sentence, and we just needed to underline our adverbs. Nouns. The small toddler toppled over. Who toppled over? Toddler. Subject, noun. Oh, since it's a subject noun, that's automatically a noun. And what is being said about toddler? Toddler toppled. Verb. So there's one noun. A noun names a person, place, thing, and sometimes an idea. We underline our noun. Adjectives. The chickens clucked loudly. What clucked loudly? Chickens. Subject, noun. What is being said about chickens? Chickens clucked. Verb. Now, an adjective tells us what kind, which one, how many. What kind of chickens? Oh, it doesn't tell us. Which chickens? It doesn't tell us. How many chickens? It doesn't tell us. So there aren't any major large adjectives, but we have an article adjective. A and V is an article adjective, a teeny tiny adjective. So just had one teeny tiny adjective there. Verbs. A verb shows action, there's no doubt. It tells what the subject does. Like sing and shout. That's part of our chant. So the hero acted very bravely. Who acted very bravely? Hero. Subject, noun. What is being said about hero? Hero acted. There's our verb. And we were looking for verbs, so we get to underline. That's all the hero did. He just acted. So there's only one verb in that sentence. Adverb. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. An adverb asks how, when, where. The bright balloons sagged sadly today. What sagged sadly today? Balloons. Subject, noun. What is being said about balloons? Balloons sagged. Verb. Sagged how? Sadly. There's an adverb. Sagged when? Today. There's an adverb. Sagged where? Well, there's no where in this sentence. So those are all of our adverbs. And that is going to bring us to the end of this page. On the next video, we will have the noun parsing page.